shit. 8.55.
Yes. Go on, make it good in this time.
That's what you get when you buy Chinese shit.
Maiden flight.
Long way to wind change now.
Yeah, it's always. Well, it's got a bit of crosswind at the minute, so it's probably just fetching it back, getting it to run up. Here we go. You're going for it?
I'm not going to go that, eh? Tail's going up, isn't it?
What?
Can't do that.
Nice. There she blows. No, it's not slow.
Quick, innit, that?
Oh, easy.
Just at the end of the trip for the moment.
Show off, innit?
To fly under me.
Oh, it's good, Pete. It's very good.
Oh, wow.
Is it good in the Pete? That's Pete flying that.
What, when you're walking? Just stay where you are. You don't need to walk now.
Yes, they're flying the new toy.
Can't he do? Alright, Stephen.
Oh yes.
Like
There he is. Ah, so you're having a bit of play.
on the aileron.
Is it coming in now?
Yeah. We get about 5-6 minutes.
Ah, right.
Get more speed out of that, yeah.
It is coming to land. Ooh, he's a bit quick. There she blows. She's down. Well, coming to the maiden voyage.
Happy day.
Handle well.
Yeah, well, good build as usual. A few little things to trim and it's straight to the dark.
Very good.
Just need to tune it and get them ailerons moving faster.
Very good.
What we on there?